So here you can download a trial version. Just type Photoshop free trial. Okay. Okay, after that you click on free. Okay, just choose Photoshop download trial. Okay, download, it's in here. Click on this one. Okay, I need to check my email. Okay, and put the verification code in here. Okay, of course you are a beginner. Student. Myself. Continue. Okay, it's installing in here. Come back when it's finished. Okay. So I finished downloading Photoshop, and this is a project we want to do. Ask me to crop two images in Photoshop to this dimensions. Okay, so you go to File and Open the first picture you want to crop. So this is one. Okay, now I choose the crop tool. This is the crop tool. The dimensions, you go to the right W for the width and height and resolution. So you have three rectangles on here. The first one is for the width, the second one is for the height, the third one is for the resolution. Okay, you will type in here the dimensions that it give you. The width is 5 centimeters, the height is 5 centimeters, the resolution is 200. So 5 and 5 and 200. Okay. So after you finish, you press on check in here. Okay, you can zoom in by Control minus or zoom out Control plus. Okay, you zoom in. Okay, now we will open the second image. File and Open. Okay, and this is the second image. Okay, you will find the same dimensions that you just tried. You'll find it in here again. So just click on the photo and check. Okay, again Control minus to zoom out. Okay, so you'll find the two images in here opened in tabs. Okay, So after that, I will ask you to convert one of the image to sepia image and the other one to black and white. So this one I'll make it black and white. Go to image, mode, and grayscale. Okay, so this is black and white. This one, go to image, adjustments, and saturation. Check the colorize box, make the hue 0, saturation 25, and press OK. So this is the second image. Okay, now create a new document with this dimension. You go to File and New. The dimension is 10 centimeters and the height is 5, the resolution is 200. Okay, and create. Because this is a new document. Okay, so we crop this photo to be the dimension 5 and another one is 5. This is why the document in here, the width is 10. So we will place the two photos, it will fit them perfectly. Okay, you go to File and okay, we want to save them first. You go to File and Save As. Save my computer. That's JPEG. You make sure this is JPEG. Okay, name it any name. And okay, second one, File, Save As. Yes, JPEG, any name, and save. Okay, now this one, go File and Place Embedded. Okay, I save it on the desktop. This is the first one. Place it. Okay, after you finish, you press on this one. Check. Okay, go File again and Place Embedded to bring the second picture. This one's black and white. Okay, and correct. So now I place the two pictures together. Okay, now after that, select the two images and place we did this. Now add 5 centimeters to the right and write your name. Okay, so we want to add canvas 5 centimeters to the right. So go to image and canvas. We want to add the space in here to the right, so I will bring my photo. Yes, this is my photo now, the two images in here. I'll make it to the left and I will add the space in here to the right. So in centimeters. Okay, now the width is almost 10. I will add 5 centimeters to 10. It will be 15 centimeters. This is the width. I am not gonna add anything in the height, so just in the width 5 centimeters to the right. So that is why I put the anchor in here to the left. Press OK. Zoom out. Okay. After that, he asked me to write my name. You go to T. Okay, of course I can move it like this. Of course you can change the color too. I told you how to do the last lesson. Okay, just don't forget to save it as an image from file and save as. And choose the JPEG, okay, the extension, and save. Okay, so this is the image. So just write your name in here, okay? Goodbye.